In today's video, we are going to show you how to join a class in Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing is open your browser and go to your edpuzzle.com account and log in using your student account, usually with their Google or your school email. As you can see, this is going to be the class code, and I want you to click the join class so that you can enter that specific class. As you can see, the class code should be provided by your teacher, and once you've joined, you would be able to join the class without any problem. Of course, from here, there is an assignment inside that class, and all I have to do once you join is to resume the progress of that assignment, finish it. There could be questions along the way. Try to answer as much as you can. Okay, for example, I am going to type my answer here and click the submit button. Next question. And basically that's it for today's video on how to join a class in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.